Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on trigonometric equations. I'll also be explaining how to sketch the tangent graph using your calculator. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 12 from paper 4, variant 2, February-March 2023. Here's part A of question 12. It says to sketch the graph of y equals the tangent of x for x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Okay, so we can sketch this using our calculator. However, it also helps to remember the shape of the standard tangent graph if you're asked to sketch it in the exam. Now, we know that y equals the tangent of x. This means that we can find the corresponding y values of these x values using the tangent of x. For instance, to find the corresponding value of y when x is 0, enter the tangent of 0 in the calculator. This gives us 0. So when x is 0, y is 0. Then we repeat this for the rest of the values here. This gives us y equals 0 for when x equals to 180 degrees, and y equals to 0 for when x equals to 360 degrees. You will notice that you do not get a value for when x equals to 90 degrees, and when x equals to 270 degrees. This is where the tangent function is undefined. These dotted lines, when x equals to 90 degrees and x equals to 270 degrees, are called vertical asymptotes, and the tangent graph approaches these lines but never touches them, because this is where the tangent function is undefined. Now, I've marked the coordinate points we found in red color here. All we have to do now is to sketch the graph of y equals the tangent of x going through these points while approaching the asymptotes and not touching them. So the graph I'm showing you here is the answer. Now for part B. It says to find x when the tangent of x equals 1 over the square root of 3 and x is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. To answer this, we first draw a straight line across the graph from 1 over the square root of 3 on the y-axis. I'm showing you this in red color here. As you can see, these are the points of intersection of the red line and the graph of y equals the tangent of x. The x-coordinates of these points, which I'm showing you here in green color, are the solutions to this equation, which answer part B of this question. Now, we move back to this equation and solve for x. Take the tangent inverse of 1 over the square root of 3. This gives us 30 degrees. These spaces here represent 30 degrees. We already know this x value is 30 degrees, so this is the first solution for our answer. To find this x value, add 30 degrees to 180 degrees, which gives us 210 degrees. So this x value is 210 degrees. Therefore, the answer is x equals 30 degrees and x equals 210 degrees. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. You can find more solved and explained past paper questions for various topics in the playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be back with another video soon.